Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Blessings, viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss there and a NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. So right about now, viewers and subscribers, you don't know, so the attacking boss, you don't know, we covered the story the other day, people, this dreadful incident, people, where the two youth them, you understand, who the man them comes about, man, bust out them head people, and when we share them video, yo, me never share them video, zine, because a lot of people DM me through IG, and them do get the video, and them do see it, and them do comment back, and them say, NEWLINK, some people say, yo, Chan no NEWLINK, me lucky thing me eat already, some people say, yo, they can't believe, some people say the most horrible thing they ever see, you know what I mean, a lot of people have different things to say about it, people, because honestly, it was really a terrible one. No joke about it, my viewers and subscribers. So, you see this whole thing I know, people. And based on thing, I don't know NEWLINK with people. Me as a youth, honestly, you know when me cover my story, them people, me love go down in my story, them. You understand? And once me get anything more pertaining to this story, I definitely going to share it with you all. Sadly, people, the two youth them are passed away. Zine? Yeah, man. But one of them people, who them say was well known by the police people, and who them say was a well known man in one of them top gang there who operate around Cockburn, Penn people in a Kingston people, and them said this man was a deadly hit man. No joke about it, people. He was very terrible. Police know him and want him out. You understand? Based on the side, people them a say bad man, we want him out. Cause you don't know, so when man a bad man a gunman, people him a go have enemy and thing. You understand? So based on the whole thing, people, because I don't know where they get information and voice note, the leaks, I had a gang and this slap him out and thing, people. And we do share it with you all, you know, the attacking boss, come, my viewers and subscribers. See? And the other youth now, who got killed, people, them say he was a well-known footballer, Zane, who represent in an Olympic garden and thing, and who represent a school in Manning Cup and them something, the people, well-known footballer. The father speak, people, and the father share memories about him and say he was a real and a good youth. So before me even start going in what I really want to cover about this story, people, I just going to read this article, and it's based on, this was publicized like 2 days ago, people, and it's where the father of this young man, which is the baller, is speaking out and giving his take on the whole incident about the passing of his son. So let me just read this, people, and then the attacking boss drop in back, because I really have something where I really need to talk about people about this thing, so you can get a brief understanding of where I really come from when I hear say about hidden truth about this whole thing. I don't know the thing, so let me just get into this, people. Wayne Edwards shared an extremely close bond with his son, Yashian Edwards. The senior Edwards said they were more like twin brothers than father and son. Yashin, 23, was brutally taken away from his family after he was murdered by unknown assailants in a section of Trenchtown last Tuesday. Police reports are that on June 1st, about 5:30 p.m., a team of officers heard explosions and went to investigate. On their arrival, 2 bodies were seen with gunshot wounds. The men were then transported to the hospital where they were pronounced dead. Me and my son shared a good relationship. Me can't depend on him for anything. Yashin will a drink a dragon or a magnum and leave half and say, Daddy, I fear this. Sometimes I say to him, say me no want your mouth water for drink, man. The broken father said. Me lose a son, me lose a brother. Boy, me I tell you say it no easy, man. Yashin was the first of 6 children for Wayne. The loss cuts deep for the family, who maintains that Yashin was not a wrongdoer. Me not take it easy because he's my innocent son, them take away from me. I grew up my son in a way not to be in bad company. If me did hear that him die in a crash, it wouldn't hurt this much, Wayne said. It's just somebody asked him to drop them somewhere and him bring them, but if him did just know, the father lamented. The Cockburn Penn Kingston level resident said on the day of the incident, he tried tirelessly to reach out to his son, but with no success. The day, me a call my son from about after 4 and can't get him. Is a video somebody sent when police a take up the body, as so me know that Yashin dead. He cried. Right now, every avenue and lane in the community come out. And when me tell you say everybody a ball, Yashane leave behind 2 boys who his father said were his pride and joy. Him was a hard-working person because him go hard for him kids, them, because him love them bad. Right now the baby mother's not taking it well at all because he was the breadwinner, Wayne said. Jaja sees, Jaja knows my people. My condolences, Dada. Seeing? Rest in peace, Yashane. For the other youth people who was cut down also in the incident, people who themselves was a real hitman and a real trigger man. So, based on the fact, people, Zine, and what the father say, him just drop off somebody and thing, and him just get caught up. And you gotta be truthful and realistic, people, because me tell us I get some deep information from down in a Cockburn pen there. No joke about it, people. Zine? Alright. If it based on the fact, say, him drive a car and him just drop off somebody, people. Zine? At the scene, them never kill him inside that car. So basically him drop off somebody and the man them corral the car then and take him out of the car and carry him go this and then. Zine? And you hear the voices another story. Man was drinking and chilling and friend. Zine, based on the first video I did. My viewers and my subscribers. And on a realistic level, I'm going to talk truth. And based on information I get from a ground out of Cockburn pen, people. And where the street down there say, people. They didn't think and them no say these youth weren't killed by no other gangs nor no other gunmen. And what they are saying, people, they strongly believe and them no say a police carry out the action. So it is alleged, Zine. And when you do look deep, people, and based on the videos that you saw where police are lift up body and things, Zine, normally when police do go on a crime scene, people, where men shot and things, Zine, you just see yellow tape at John them, something there, Zine, and police not just come. Because these body were lifeless people, head bust out, head trash out people. No joke about it, Zine. Normally when things do happen like this, people, a crime scene where man kill and thing and them dead people, police is not the one who just come and take them and dash them in a vehicle and move with them. No, because these men were already gone. Them gone people, see? Head bust out, head chop out. And the way them put them in there, people, honestly, and when I look into it, people, normally a Jamaican police slap with bad boys, slap with this and that, people. What they do? They take them and them dash them in a van back down and move with them. See? Which me know say even when them slap them and them have life, them put them in there and they move with them same way and carry them at the hospital, don't? Yeah. So honestly, people, and what them as the people say, a police do it, but based on the fact them try to just make it move off before in they come in and thing and thing. And honestly, my viewers and subscribers, because I tell you, say, the other youth, them say police want him out, because police know about him thing and know say he was a real wrongdoer, people. He was a real hitman. Because them say, yo, a lot of man we know maybe get cut down and here says a hitman carry out that. Them say the dopey can't even be on this somebody's hand because he was very terrible. He was really deadly. And even the same gang them who him operate with people, seeing, fear him. And them say he's a youth now, people who don't let him head back so careless when they come on to certain things, especially with badness. So that's have a lot of people thinking and say, yo, why in they really do this and go with the next gang and them know say and that a gang they mix up and that. So what they are saying, people, voice note were leak and thing recording is just a sham to just kind of keep eyes away from the police. But what they are saying, people, but in the end, I'm not gonna be truthful, people. If a police do take him out, people, see, and he was this terrible, people, and he was this dreadful, serve him right. Sad part about it, viewers and subscribers, and what me I gonna say, the baller youth, you understand, based on the fact the father say him innocent and him and a wrongdoer, people, so we are say he was at the wrong spot at the wrong time, or we are say that was his friend. Honestly, my viewers and subscribers, you have to be careful of the friend them you keep, because people in a Cockburn pen, people around know say this youth of people was very deadly. He was a very terrible man, and he must know. So what were you doing so close to him that you and him get caught up and be, you know? Honestly, viewers and subscribers. So, on a real level, it's sad to say the ball of you gone, people, but You know? The police do take them out people, and as I say, that's how the street as the people. For the 8 man, serve him right. For the baller youth, we can sue the people and say, boy, he just sad for no say maybe him just make a wrong choice to choose the friend there, and you know, he just get caught up in the mates. But viewers and subscribers, honestly, the youth them need to learn. See? Man can't be bad man can't be gangster, got them pie. But if I that the road you choose people, just know say, the journey now go be long. It a go cut short. See? You could have 10, 15, 20 people on your name. You could have want to make it to 1 million or make it to 100, but your time will come. And it not going to be long. Zine? So whether bad man or police take him out people, serve him right. He was a killer. And the people them know he was. Very dangerous. Youth, make a change. Make a difference. Man and man can lock them strap, you know. When you got them already, I mean not going to say man and man, you know. But look at a man. Lock it and build with it. Lock it for protection. But don't lock it for come some woman that kill off your brothers and sisters like that for no reason at all. Make no sense, not true. A lot of people are make change, you know. So youth, you must can make a difference. When you see the science over and over. And if you check the statistics, bad man now win. Them are lose. And at the youth, them are lose. See? Because what? You're an enemy to your own, you're an enemy to society. Make a difference. Make a change. Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself, my people. More love, more respect, and more blessings. You don't know the thing of my people. Big up. Peace out. Attack.